Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states, once I was walking along Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a field. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was reclining on a branch of a date palm, while a group of Jews passed from there. Some of them said to others, ask him about the Spirit. Some of them said, what doubt do you have about it? He may give you a reply which displeases you. They said, ask him. One of them thereupon got up and asked him about the Spirit. The Prophet ﷺ observed silence and did not make any reply to him. I realized that the revelation was being sent to him. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says, I stood where I was when the revelation descended on him. He ﷺ said, recited these words, and they ask you about the Spirit. Say, the Spirit is a saying by the command of my Lord, and you are not given knowledge but a little. Surah Asra, verse 85. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6990.